How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram and add their picture. Then go to Add Music, which is located on top beside three buttons on top right corner of your screen. Select Music and then select any music you want. You can also keep lyrics if you want. Then click on three dots located on top right and save the video. Go to WhatsApp and then go to Updates. In there, go to My Status. Click on My Status and then select the video you created earlier. Then you can also select Status, Only Contact or My Contact Except or Only Share with Some People. Then click on Done. Then click on arrow like option located on bottom right corner of your screen. And that's how you add music to WhatsApp status. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia, signing off until next time.